Sheesh. What up, guys? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. Hopefully you guys had a great time with your family for the holidays. Merry Christmas. I didn't get to say it before, so I'm gonna say it now. Merry Christmas to you guys. Hopefully you guys had a great Christmas and a great New Year's coming up, man. You see we're right here. We got the V, and it's not as dirty as it was, man. I got it washed. I didn't wash it myself this time. I did get it washed, but it did rain last night, so it doesn't last very long, guys. Sheesh, man. I need to get this thing in a garage, and it's gonna happen very soon. That's in the works, so don't worry about that. You see the wheels looking nice, man. Got the little wheel shine on it, and you know I gotta show the carbon fiber, man, every single time, just in case you guys ain't familiar. If this is your first time seeing the content, you know I gotta show the carbon fiber, man. That's the newest addition to the V, and yeah, man, you guys see it. Got the red brake calipers. And this one here, hopefully it's not too windy and you guys can hear me. Hopefully the wind ain't messing things up. But in this video here, man, we're gonna go over something that I should have done a long time ago. I don't know why it took me so long to do this. I've literally had this mod for so long. I'm talking about 4 months, 5 months, bro, like 6 months. I don't even know. I've had it forever and I just haven't done it. It's so easy to do. I don't know why I haven't done it, but we're about to get that done today. I'm about to show you guys real quick, but before we hop into that, if you guys enjoy the content, go ahead and give it a like. It does help out tremendously with the channel's growth, and I appreciate it greatly, but only if you like it. Only if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content. Go ahead and do that as well. I appreciate it so much, guys. And we're gonna hop right into this. Oh, also one last thing, man. All links are down below in the description. You see I got the merch, $13.91. It's not just merch, it's a whole brand, people. So go check out the website. If there's anything you like on there, it's all down below in the description. All my social platforms, anything I use and recommend, everything is down below in the description. We're gonna jump right into this, and before I tell you guys what it is that I'm talking about, I'm just gonna show you real quick why you need this, especially if you have a wide body. If you guys have a wide body Charger, Challenger, this is something that you absolutely need. It's not even a question of, you know, if I should get it. You need it, man, ASAP, as soon as possible, right when you get the car. It took me so long, I don't know why, and I'm gonna show you guys the damage of what will happen if you do not do this. So let's go around here, and this is definitely needed for sure. Now that I have the carbon fiber, you see it's a little dirty because it rained, unfortunately. But look, if we zoom in here a little closer, and please excuse the dirtiness right here. It's kind of hard to tell right now because it is a little dirty, but if you could zoom in right here, you would be able to see that there's little rock chips all along this fender here. And my dumb ass, you see right here, it comes with a little bit of, I don't know if it's PPF or what this is, like it's a little bit of protection, and they put this on the fenders to protect it. But you know, the dude that sold this to me didn't let me know, and my dumb ass didn't know. You know, I was new to all of this when I got this vehicle, and I didn't know that this was protection. So my dumb ass was thinking like, oh, they forgot to take off some of the wrap, you know, for when they deliver a brand new vehicle, because I got this thing brand new. So what I did was I took it off, man. You see it right here. This is what was on here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that was on the whole fender on both sides. And I actually removed that. I know you guys can roast me in the comments, do whatever you like, I don't really care. It is what it is. I already did it, and the damage is done. But to reduce more of that damage, I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do, because I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's little rock chips. You can see it right there. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's little rock chips all along the fender on both sides. And the mod that you need to do, it's very easy to do. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it, and it's fairly inexpensive as well. It's replacing these right here. You can see we got these little rock protectors, mud flap type things right here, and they don't really come out too much. You know, they don't really protect much, as you can see from the fender back there with all the rock chips. So what I did, I'll show you guys right here. I went to Z01addons.com, and this is not a plug, this is not a sponsorship or anything, but this was the best place that I seen that had these, and I got these right here. Well, actually, let's just take the whole Might as well take the whole bag. And boom, these are gonna do a whole lot better in protecting that back fender back there, especially, and that carbon fiber. You know, I don't want any rock chips on that. I got more protection coming for that very, very soon as well. But if you can see right here, this thing comes up a lot more. So we're gonna be adding these right here, the little ZL1 add-ons, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. It's fairly easy. You know, there's a couple ways that you can do it. You could either use screws or you can use double-sided tape. I'm gonna use the screws. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. And honestly guys, this is something that you really need to do right away. Not only if you have a wide body, but you know, if you have any of these type of vehicles just in general. It does kick rocks back, and I mean, especially if you have a wide body, because obviously the fender flares stick out a little bit, so they're gonna be more susceptible to getting those rock chips, as you guys seen on mine. So to prevent that, I would highly recommend getting some of these. You know, like I said, fairly inexpensive and a pretty simple process to installing these. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. Let's go. All right, so it does come with the instructions on how to do this, and basically all you need is one of these. You know, you don't need it this big, but you know, the tool to take off these little pins here. And it comes with basic instructions. If you get the front and the back, or just the front, I just got the front. I'll probably end up getting the backs eventually as well. But basically all you got to do is remove the pins and then add the little hardware that they give you. Now you could either screw some stuff in like I'll show you, or you can use double-sided tape, and I'll let you know once we get to that part. But first thing that we're gonna do is put this under here so it doesn't fly away, and we're just gonna remove these little push pins. Now these ones are a little hard to get off. As you can see, this one kind of ripped the top off right here. So, and these can't go back in after you take them out. So it's all right anyways, man. All you gotta do is get some pliers, pull it out, or you could just push it in and it'll fall right out. So as you can see right here, boom, that thing didn't want to come out. So I just ripped it off. I'm not gonna need it anyways. One of them decided to come out, but these other two are giving me issues. There we go. All right, so we got them all out. And obviously if you're gonna use double-sided tape, make sure that this is all clean. Clean it with alcohol before you do this. So basically what you're gonna do is, you can see in the picture that they give you, you just use the same pins that it came with, boom, boom, and then you're gonna use the hardware for everything else. So it's gonna be the middle ones that you're gonna use the pins on. And I'm actually missing a pin, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. But you just put it on there like so, and it's probably easier if you move the wheel a little, but I'm being lazy right now and I didn't do that. But I'm gonna be able to get it in here anyways. But basically you just put that pin back in there like so, boom, it's in. And basically what you do here on the bottom is you got this screw, and they give you a little spacer here because there is some space right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and move this fucking wheel. I gotta move the wheel real quick. I got tired of trying to squeeze it in there. That's something that you guys wanna do. That's one of the first steps you guys wanna take. Move the wheel a little bit if you're not cranking it up. Boom, turn that on. You see we got some more space now, and basically all you got to do, put this thing in here, put this right behind it. That's gonna go in the hole there. Make sure everything's lined up. Might have to push this over just a bit to get that through. And basically what you do is you just put that little nylon spacer in between, you put the bolt in the back, and they make it pretty damn difficult to do that. There's not a lot of space to work with. It is possible to do. As you can see, I just did it, but let me just let you know, it ain't gonna be easy. Now you're supposed to tighten it from the back, and I don't know what the fuck they expect you to get back there to do that? It's gonna be much easier if you could get this thing lifted up, which obviously I didn't. So once you get that in there and tighten it down as much as you can get in there with like maybe a wrench or something, but it's a very small opening, so you're gonna have to figure something out. And after that, you just tighten down these 3 screws. You put the longer one down on the bottom. So what you got to do with these little screws here is the washer goes right in the back between the car and the rock guards, and you just screw it in. And for me, I'm able to get it in there just with this screwdriver. I didn't need a drill or anything like that, and it's in there. Boom, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. It's secure, good to go, and pretty much you just repeat the process on the other side. So there it is. As you guys can see, we all done, and it pokes out a good amount, a bit more, man, and it goes a little higher as well. As you can see, this was the old one, and this one way over here, so there is a good little difference right there. Comes out a little more, goes a little bit higher. You see it nice and secure in there. Come around this side, same thing, man. Gonna provide a bit more protection than the factory ones do. And like I said, man, pretty simple. The hardest part is securing this bolt down there. They make it pretty difficult. Like, I don't know how they expect you to get back there. Like I said, you might be able to get back there with a little wrench, but pretty much just got to do what you got to do in order to secure this bolt down. But other than that, pretty damn simple, pretty easy, pretty inexpensive, like I said as well. They don't cost that much, and boom, man, we all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff away, and then I'm gonna be back with you guys in a second.
A few moments later.
All right, man, we all done finally. Didn't take too long, but let's hop up in here, man, talk for a quick second. You guys see the red guts? Anybody that ain't familiar, you know, I always gotta show you guys a little bit of the interior and of the exterior, just in case you ain't familiar with the content, so you guys can see a little bit of what to expect. We got the red guts, man. Red suede, Alcantara suede with the black Napa leather. Dirty hands, man. And don't wear a nice new shirt when you guys go and do this. You see I got the merch on, that 1391 brand, and man, I got myself all dirty, you know, putting my shoulder up against the tire. Don't make that bonehead mistake, people. When you're working on the car, wear old clothes, wear work clothes. Don't be like me in your Nike sweats with the flip-flops on, flip-flops falling all over the place, getting the brand new merch dirty, man. Rookie mistakes, people. But it is what it is. Hands all dirty, man. You know, you got to do what you can by yourself whenever you can. You know, it's a good learning experience. This right here ain't that hard, so anybody could pretty much pick up and do that themselves. Literally anybody can do it. It's not that hard, and yeah, it's gonna add a lot of protection, as you guys seen, compared to the older ones. The older ones don't really cover too much. The newer ones cover a lot more. They go higher, they come out a little further, so that's gonna add some more protection for the carbon fiber, for the fender flares, and even on standard body Chargers, Challengers, and not even just Chargers and Challengers, but Camaros. Obviously a ZL1 add-on, so they got them for the Camaros, they got them for the Mustangs. You know how we like to drive these vehicles, man. We drive them kind of fast sometimes, rocks be flying, and if you don't want them to hit your car or the car behind you, you know, you can get the rear ones. Obviously I just got the front ones because kind of just watching out for myself right now, but you get the rear ones too. Watch out for the people behind you, especially when you're on canyon runs and doing all this and that, man. A lot of rocks go flying, and these rock guards really help. These are the best ones that I could find, so you could pretty much get them anywhere. Like I said, this isn't sponsored, this isn't a plug or nothing. I have no affiliation with ZL1 add-ons. That's just the place that I went to get them. You guys could just Google it, see what type of vehicle you got and which ones are good for you. But like I always say, man, I got a whole lot more stuff on the way. We're just getting started. This is just little simple stuff, something that I should have done a long time ago. And like I said, man, I've had them literally for like 6 months. I've had them for a long ass time, and I just never got around to doing them, but finally I got them put in there, and we're just going to continue to get into these bigger and better mods. As you guys seen, I got the full carbon fiber body kit, the aero kit. Still waiting on the diffuser. That wasn't able to get put on because of certain things. I don't know if it dried wrong or something happened. The diffuser got warped. I wasn't able to put it on there, but they got another one on the way. Hopefully it gets here soon. I've been waiting a little minute for it. But we'll see what happens with that. But aside from all the, I might have some more carbon fiber stuff on the way as well. But aside from all the cosmetics, I got a whole lot more coming with the cosmetics. But I got a whole lot of performance coming as well. I'm adding a little bit of weight. Even though it's carbon fiber, it's pretty light. I'm not taking anything away. The only thing I'm taking away is the diffuser, but I did add the splitter and the side skirt. So I'm adding more weight. Oh, and the wing as well. And the wing is actually heavier than the other one. It's a lot bigger. And I could tell because the trunk doesn't go up like it used to. I have to actually manually pick it up now when I open it. So I am adding a lot more weight, which means I gotta add some performance, man. I gotta add a little more speed, and we're gonna get right into that stuff. Don't worry, we got that on the way for you guys. We got a whole lot more content to come, man. I got so much more ideas to do with this channel, not just with this car, but all cars to come in the future. So stay tuned, people. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys as always. All links are down below in the description for everything that I use and recommend, all the merch, all my social platforms, everything I use and everything I recommend, guys, all down below in the description. The gaming channel, anything you guys need. So go check it out if you like. Like I said, man, if you guys enjoy the content, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, because it does help the channel a lot. I appreciate it greatly. If you want to become a part of the 1391 family, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of the content. Thank you guys so much. That's gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Until then, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.